Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to draw square. So if you want to draw square, you can use the brush tool and then go to this hand icon, click on this option, rectangle drawing tools. After it you can fill the color. I will set the color into blue color. And then you can click to close and we can draw in this canvas the square like this. Okay, you can click again and draw. You also can set for the outline color by clicking at this option. I will use red color and I will change for the brush type into this option. Okay, you can draw again like this. Now you can click again this hand eye tools and I will set the fill color into the black color and you can draw square again in your canvas. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to draw square. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.